Because without honesty, there's no transformation. Without discomfort, there's no healing. And without truth-telling, there is no justice. And isn't that the community that God is calling us to be? Not one that avoids conflict, but one that tells the truth in love. Not one that protects power, but one that uplifts the vulnerable. Not one that hides pain, but one that enters into it together. Choosing cohesion over compassion means that we protect the image of community over the actual health of that community. We value agreement more than growth, and slowly, without ever really intending to, we become a place where authenticity feels risky, where honesty feels dangerous, and where being different or disruptive or even prophetic feels unwelcome.